Struggling to keep your tasks organized? Transform your day with a powerful time management tool. More than 350,000 users have rated us on Google Play and the App Store. Stop juggling endless to-do lists. Embrace a seamless, focused day that adapts to your lifestyle. Our tool integrates with your favorite apps, like Todoist. Keep your schedule on track without switching between platforms. Unlock time mastery using proven techniques from our expert, Naomi. She'll guide you to become a time management pro. Enjoy increased productivity, reduced stress, and a clearer mind. Experience how we stand out by streamlining your tasks like never before. Take charge of your time today. Download our app and start mastering your schedule. Don't wait, your organized life awaits.